Oh, yeah, just doing a little tuning, man. Just trying to see what my boost is and shit.
Hell yeah, it sounded good like a motherfucker when you come by.
Yeah, yeah.
Come on,
appreciate it.
Come on by one more time.
All right.
You ain't ready for the S2?
No, I'm not yet, not yet.
My S2 getting there. You been seeing the pictures on Facebook?
Yeah.
It's getting there.
Oh, yeah, I saw it.
It's got, how much boost you running right now?
About 12.
About 12?
Yeah.
It sounded good for 12. Go on, put it up to 15.
Shit.
It'll handle it?
I'll probably do that tomorrow.
It'll handle it?
Yeah. I'm just trying to get it dialed in, man, a little bit. We'll go to Clive Fair tonight, just sit around and shit. Nothing major. Yeah, buddy.
Well, shit, fuck with me.
All right. I definitely will.
Facebook.
Yeah. I think I need to get a new slave cylinder because whoever had it before me, it wasn't adjusted right. Like it wouldn't. I couldn't adjust it. It's supposed to be self-adjusting, but it wasn't self-adjusting at all. I taught myself adjusting this on and blended it again yesterday, and it's doing better than what it was because I could usually get to about $4 grand, and it was just woo.